Alright, welcome back, jss1 students. Remember, this is your third term scheme of work. jss1 student. If you are in L1 or L2 class, you are welcome. That is why I speak both Igbo and English. Mgbe anyị ga-ene anya na isiokwu a na-akpọ Nzisaozi. So by the end of the class, that is what you will learn. Nzisaozi, which is communication. Communication. Yeah, but Nzisaozi, that is Nzisaozi in Igbo language. Okay? So, we will first of all look at Nzisaozi Nkeodinala. That place you are supposed to put you have Keodinala. You are supposed to put is typographical error, please. You have to put the N not only Ke. The same thing with the last one. Okay. Nkeodinala / Nkeugbua. So N supposed to be, you're supposed to put N before K in those two words. Now, Nzisaozi, which is communication, Nkeodinala. Nkeodinala means traditional means of communication. Traditional means of communication. Then the next one is modern means of communication, which is Nkeugbua. Nkeugbua, which is modern means of communication. Alright, let's now read the sentence there. Nzisaozi bụ ịgwa mmadụ ihe ibu n'obi. Ị chọrọ ịgwa ya site n'okwu ọnụ nke enwere ike ikwu site na ekwe, which is ekwentị, ma ọ bụ n'ozi ide na akwụkwọ. So communication is the means whereby you tell people or somebody what you have in mind. What are you looking for? Okay, you tell people what you have in mind. Okay, you can do that through phone. If it is modern means of communication, you do that through phone and thereabout. Alright, so the first one we'll be talking about is Nkeodinala, which is traditional means of communication. Under the types of communication we have, traditional means of communication, which is Nkeodinala. Example is okwu ọnụ, which is through mouth, through speaking, through your tongue. You communicate through your tongue. Ogene, the second one there, ogene, O-G-E-N-E, ogene. Ogene, which is, how do they call it in English, is gong. Egbe, E-G-B-E, egbe, which is gun. Igba, which is that one, Igba, the third one. Okay, the fourth one, Igba, I-G-B-A, Igba, which is drum. They will now have ekwe. So many of you know ekwe. So this is an example of gun, which is Egbe. When a village shoots gun on the air, is a signal that something is about to happen, or there is a war in the community. This is drum. All right. Means of communication. The modern means of communication, which is number 2, is Nkeugbua, which is modern means of communication. We have ekwentị, which is phone. We have igwe na-ekwu okwu, which is radio. Radio is igwe na-ekwu okwu. We have onyonyo, which is TV. Then we have newspaper. You already know newspaper. Newspaper. That's how people spell newspaper. We have computer. We have teles, and so many of them. This one is phone, handset. This one is radio. So you can see the picture. Radio. This one is old television. Oh, television is very old. Old television. And we have newspaper. This is newspaper stand. And I have computer. This is computer stand. It's doing animation. It's creating animation. In case you want to learn animation, we can still teach you how to do video animation. Yes, we can teach you in this our program. We'll sit you and teach you how to do video animation. Yes, we can do that. Let's continue. Okay, this one is network. Is setting up of network for internet accessibility. Okay, so this is where we'll call it a day for today's lesson. Please subscribe to our channel. If you want a private teacher or a home teacher, a lesson teacher, call us on 081 3357 7465. Mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, all class, even common entrance preparation class, reading and writing class, Igbo, English, we are available. Call us on that number. We'll get back to you. Remember, here we believe in the pursuit of knowledge. Pursue knowledge. What you know today is 100% capable of helping you today and tomorrow. God bless you.